Monday to Friday only we are going to have classes. Now what I'm going to do means how to create a simple program or a basic program, like nothing but hello world program by using Notepad, and how to run by using command prompt. Here I'm going to click on plus symbol here. So I'm going to have new Notepad. I'm going to type print hello world. This is my single line statement. I open a new Notepad. Then afterwards, I want to save this file. So how we can save? File. So this is the first time, right? It's a new Notepad, right? New file, right? So we can click on save. Anywhere you can save, but I created separate directory here. This is the place I'm going to save. Here, simply I'm going to type basic.py. Any name .py. So just click on save. So now we created the Python code. So again, see here, I open Notepad and I wrote Python code, and after that file. So this file already I saved. So this time prefer save as. Already this file saved. Again, I am trying to save as. So click on save as, and here any name, but I'm giving the same name. What is the file extension? .py. Okay. So click on save. Already this file is there. That's the reason it is asking to replace. Just replace it. So we save it with which extension? .py extension. Okay. So now I'm closing everything. Okay. So just I'm going to open desktop. So this is our directory Python 7826. So here I'm having that basic.py. If you click on view extra large icons, you can see the Python logo also. Already I installed Python software as well as VS Code, right? So that's the reason by default it is showing like this. So if you click on view details, even from here also you can check that. So first three files are Python files. These two files are what? Text documents. Okay, fine. Whatever. Now how to run this program by using command prompt. So I'm going to open CMD. CMD means command prompt. Click here. So already you people know, hold the control +++ for tuning. If you want to check the version, Python space ---- version. You can see this is the latest version. And next here, I want to run this program. So how we can run this program means, so observe carefully here. On top, if you click here, you will be getting the path. So you can see C drive, users. This is my PC name. Your PC name can be either Ajay, Vijay, whatever. OneDrive, desktop, because I saved this folder in desktop. So this is my path. Now directly copy this entire path. And here, CD. CD means change directory. CD means change directory. And directly, if you right click, okay, CD space, just right click, then automatically it is going to paste here, enter. Now see, by default, that means you can see here, it is referring to Python 7826. Nothing I did, I copied the path from here and I pasted here. Okay, so here CD means change directory. So now directly you can type Python. So what is the file name? Basic.py. So basic.py and press enter. So in that what we wrote, print hello. So any doubts how we can run the program by using command prompt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's say, so instead of copying the entire path, we know the path. C, users, this is my PC name, OneDrive, desktop, whatever. So already we know the path. So this time what I will do means, see, whenever we open the command prompt, so by default, it looks like this. Let's make something like this. So if you type cd dot dot, see, now we are in desktop. Now we are in OneDrive. So in general, whenever we open command prompt, this is the default path. Now my target is I need to refer this Python 7826. Already we know the path. Up to Shiva's, it is there. And after that OneDrive. How? CD one drive. In case of commands, here we know that capital O, capital D, but here I gave lowercase, no problem. Even if you do uppercase also, no problem. Even if you do lowercase also, no problem. Press enter. So by default, it considers whatever the default case, nothing but uppercase, lowercase, whatever. For example, desktop, capital D. So we know the path right here. CD space, I am giving lowercase, no problem with the uppercase. Then afterwards, we need to target CD. So this is the way individually instead of copying the entire. Then as usual, we can type Python. We are having basic.py and we got the output. So any doubts?
It's clear,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Okay. So next what I'm going to do means I'm going to close this command prompt. At the same time, this folder is there, right? Control X. Control X means I'm cutting from here, C drive, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So that means in C drive, directly in C drive. Then how? Command prompt. We know by default C user Shivas, but actually this Python 7826 available in C drive. CD2 dot, then one directory or one folder back. Now exactly we are in C drive. Then CD Python 7826, then Python basic.py. Suppose if it is directly available in C drive, so this is the way. Then after this, close that command, Control X in D drive. So let's say just paste it here. So now directly in D drive, open command from CMD. This time, if you see here, D colon. So if you type D colon and press enter, now directly it refers to D drive. Then as usual, CD space Python 7826. Then as usual, Python basic.py. Hello. I'm going to copy the directory directly on C.